Hey guys, Marshall Tucker here, LA Choppers, bringing you the best in American-made handlebars and motorcycle accessories. And right now, we're going to be talking about another one of our most popular sellers, the LA Chopper Primate Bar. This bar comes in a ton of different finishes, fitments, and heights, so you'll definitely be able to find something that fits you and your ride. So stay tuned, we're going to bring you some fresh details in regards to the LA Chopper Primate Bars.
LA Chopper Primate Handlebars. This American-made 1.25" handlebar is aggressive in both styling and handling. But don't let that aggressive stance and styling fool you. This bar is super comfortable at 35.5 inches wide. With heights starting at 8 inches and going all the way up to 18 inches depending on model, you'll be able to find the exact fit for you and your ride. The Primates will be offered in 3 different finishes: chrome, gloss black, as well as matte black to complement any build you may have in mind. The Primates are wildly popular in the touring community, but do keep in mind there are fitments available for Dynas, Softails, as well as Sportsters. LA Chopper Primate Handlebars, proudly made in the United States of America.
For more information on the products listed in this video, click on the link in the description area below. Feel free to call us with any questions or place an order at 800-969-7501. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment, share, and subscribe for all of the latest DK events, videos, and promos.